Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create a Shopify store backup. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Creating a backup is extremely important if you're running a very vulnerable business and you want to safeguard its integrity and everything by hackers and everything. Making a Shopify store backup is always helpful. To do that, what you can do is head over to your online store. Once you are there, you can see we have our themes. So all you need to do is simply duplicate your current store, and once you do, eventually it is going to be creating a copy of it, and you can easily publish it anytime once your main store is messed up or anything, let's just say unpleasant happens to it. So that's how you can create a Shopify store backup. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, consider subscribing and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.